In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the sync pause error on iMessage. If you've ever experienced this, you know it can be frustrating when your messages are not syncing between your iPhone and iCloud. But don't worry, we have a few steps to help you get everything back on track, and it should only take us around 5 minutes. First, let's ensure your iPhone is connected to a charger and actively charging. Sometimes iCloud syncing can pause to conserve battery, so keeping your device plugged in is essential. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. Head over to settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, as message syncing with iCloud typically requires a stable internet connection. Now, let's dive into your iCloud settings. Open the settings app and tap your name at the top. From there, navigate to iCloud, then select Show All, and finally Messages. You'll want to make sure the switch next to Messages is turned on, allowing your messages to sync properly. It's also crucial to ensure you're signed into iCloud. In the Settings app, tap your name again and confirm that you're signed in with your Apple ID. If you've been signed out recently, that might be causing the syncing issues, as syncing will pause until you're signed back in. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear any temporary issues that might be affecting the syncing process. To restart your iPhone, hold the side button and one volume button simultaneously, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn the device back on, which can often help resolve minor glitches. Another method you can try is toggling messages in iCloud off and on. In the Settings app, navigate to your name, then iCloud and Messages. Turn the switch off for a few seconds, then back on. This action can help reinitialize the sync process and potentially solve the issue. It's also wise to check your iCloud storage. If your storage is nearly full, it might cause syncing to pause. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, followed by Manage Storage. Here you can see how much space you have left. If needed, free up some space or consider upgrading your iCloud plan. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, you can reset your network settings. While this won't delete your data, it will reset your Wi-Fi networks and settings, which can sometimes resolve stubborn syncing issues. Navigate to Settings, then General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone, and finally Reset Network Settings. I hope this guide helps you solve your iMessage sync pause error efficiently. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching.